I want to encourage you to smile. Smile, smile. I want to encourage you to smile because your smile is like a window to your face that lets other people know that your heart is home. Smile through the circumstance. Smile through anything that you're going through. Smile through that opportunity that you know is coming and say thank you in advance. Yes, this is your heart allowing your mind and body, spirit to know that there is something to smile about. There is something to be proud of, and there is something to believe in.